Hi guys, let's prepare two types of canapes. First, prepare chicken canapes. Take carrot, potato, beetroot, French bean, chop it and then take chicken pieces. Boil all the ingredients, then add salt, pepper powder and mayonnaise, mix it well and then fill it in canapes. For prawns canapes, boil potato and carrot and then fry prawns. Then transfer it in a bowl and add tomato sauce, salt and pepper. Mix it well and then fill it in canapes. Enjoy! If you like this recipe then comment below, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.